What's up? I'm doing the team random for the 17 draft tonight. 7 Eastern time, 6 Central. Appreciate the film. 2:52 p.m. Central Time. Same dice roll for both. There's an owner list. Roll the dice. Got some work to do. 12 for both. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Rex, you finally finished on top of one of my randoms. Doesn't matter. There we have it, 29 names. Hop over here, we'll put 12 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Tampa Bay for Rex, not too shabby. I'll post a list up. There it is, real quick. If you want to see right now, just hit pause. Take it down. I'll get all these posted. 7 Eastern tonight. Good luck, everybody. Thank you.